100 English words that start with U. Listen and repeat for beginners.
You ready, Myra?
Unbelievably ready, Mike.
Today we'll uncover 100 useful words.
All starting with the letter U.
U for understand, use, and unite.
And U for unique, useful, and uplift.
Listen closely
Repeat after us.
and upgrade your English.
Listen and repeat.
Unable,
Unable.
unaware,
Unaware.
uncle,
Uncle.
under,
Under.
underground,
Underground.
understand,
Understand.
understanding,
Understanding.
underline,
Underline.
undertake,
Undertake.
undo.
Undo. Unstoppable start.
Let's keep going. Unemployed,
Unemployed.
unexpected,
Unexpected.
unfair,
Unfair.
unhappy,
Unhappy.
uniform,
Uniform.
unique,
Unique.
unit,
Unit.
united,
United.
university,
University.
unknown,
Unknown.
doing great,
Repeat with us.
unless,
Unless.
unlike,
Unlike.
unlock,
Unlock.
until,
Until.
unusual,
Unusual.
up,
Up.
update,
Update.
upgrade,
Upgrade.
uphold,
Uphold.
upon.
Upon.
You're halfway there.
Stay with us.
Upper,
Upper.
upset,
Upset.
urban,
Urban.
urge,
Urge.
urgent,
Urgent.
use,
Use.
used,
Used.
useful,
Useful.
user,
User.
usual.
Usual.
Amazing progress.
Let's keep going.
Usually,
Usually.
utility,
Utility.
utilize,
Utilize.
utter,
Utter.
utterly,
Utterly.
ultimate,
Ultimate.
ultimately,
Ultimately.
ultra,
Ultra.
umbrella,
Umbrella.
uncertain.
Uncertain. Last few words.
Keep repeating with us. Unclear,
Unclear.
uncover,
Uncover.
undoing,
Undoing.
undoubtedly,
Undoubtedly.
unfold,
Unfold.
unfriendly,
Unfriendly.
unimportant,
Unimportant.
union,
Union.
universal,
Universal.
universe.
Universe. And that's 100 useful U words.
Repeat them often.
And your English will feel unlimited.
Subscribe to English Podcast.
For unique and uplifting lessons.
Keep using your words.
And never give up.